Yeah.
Right there.
So where does this road go?
Hey.
Yeah. Look at those guys up there. Yee.
Way out there.
I think I should follow the water. Go down there. Hey, can you swim? Hey, what are you doing, guys? I can drive myself home now, can I? Yeah. Yeah. This is the Instagram mini dam over spilling, guys.
Oh yeah.
Dang. What? Oh yeah. Don't wanna step on it and fall in there, can I?
That's right. Should I jump?
Oh, go ahead. You wanna jump?
It's not big.
Hey! Guys, don't play like that. Oh yeah, you can throw me. Eh. I think I'm losing my mind. Hey. Ah. Where were those fishing guys?
Oh yeah. Is this for the ground?
Nah, for the tube.
Ah.
Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah. It's too long for the gram, isn't it?
Hit me up at Braden Thiessen.
Yeah. Hey! Almost. Yeah. Right behind you.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that one.
Yeah. Where are the fisher guys? A crocodile. Eh?
Crocodile fish.
Yeah.
A massive dog.
I'm looking for those fishermen there. Where is Casey?
Casey,
Casey!
where art thou?
KFC! I was hoping to meet one of the fishing guys. You know. I was going to buy some fish off him.
Casey. Ah.
Oh, you are over there. Did you see any fishermen over there?
We need that little jetpack, Casey.
Hey, ladies, okay, go there.
Are they? Let's go.
Nah.
No, that's not.
Man, I like him. It's nice, it's red, it's green, it's
You're
blue.
not wrong. Oh, no.
Yeah, it's still about the fish, it's still about the water.
Yeah.
Sorry, my bad.
Yo, what's up, my nice guy?
Where are the fishermen?
I would just love to have a jack.
Ah, there's no. I give up.
So, do they have
Hello, Magadi.
one of those things in the back?
Pane overe.
Or like, do they have one on each arm and stuff? One on each
Oh, ndakeda mukuredza.
That would be insane.
It's terrible. It takes tremendous force
Oh.
to run it.
Actually, really tough.
I was a real idiot and I had a big cruiser. Let's come down here.
Look at these nice rocks. Look at these nice rocks, my guy.
Them rocks look terrible.
Okay, who can skip the rocks or not? Or they are people. Okay. Anyways. Nah, you sink it.
That was a good skipping rock.
Okay, let me try this one. Ah, with only two. Nah, okay. I think we should